Hey guys, Jason with Fender Garage. We are here in Gilbert, Arizona at the Fender shop and got a couple little new items I wanted to show you. It's actually only one item, but I got two things in my hand. That's what made me think of two things. But anyways, here's what we got. We've got a part that we 3D printed for the 6R80 and 10R80 transmissions. And so we've been selling another part, another manufacturer's part, and to be honest with you, it worked great, but we're looking for something a little bit smaller, a little bit easier to use, and also a little bit more directive in setting up your transmission coolers. And so we 3D printed this part, which then turned into a full-blown machined part. So this is set up for your transmission, and it's set up for -8 AN fittings. Plug right in and bolt and seals off perfectly. We also have right here is a temp sender that you can also purchase separately that goes for your transmission cooler. So this will trigger your transmission fans to turn on and off. And so we have it plumbed right in here to the right outflow to the cooler, so you can get it triggered into the right spot when you want to turn your temp sensor fans on. So anyways, it's a very simple application. It comes with O-rings on the back, and you can buy this individually like this, or this will also come in a kit with the transmission cooler line, the AN fittings, and a soft braided AN line where you can buy that as a package, and that will handle all your cooling for your transmission. So check this out. This is a 6R80. It just basically you just push this in and it will, you got to push it in hard. I don't want to actually work that hard, but you push this in, it seals up, and then this will hold it in place. And so this is the outflow, and you'll have an AN fitting, probably like a 90-degree, that will go right on here and seal up and go right to your transmission cooler, and then you run a power wire as well over, and then a ground. And so pretty easy to install, works really well. On a 10R80, this basically will just mount like this versus a 6R80 where it mounts like this. Very easy application to install, works really well. It's something we use a lot here. And the reason why we use this and a remote separate transmission cooler is because we don't want our transmission to be as hot as the motor. We want to be able to keep those independently and separate. And so our radiators that we sell don't have any ports for plumbing your transmission, because we do that on purpose to keep them independent of each other. So if your motor happens to be running hot and you're having some problems there, or it overheats, you don't want to transfer all that heat over to your transmission and actually get that hot and have parts fail there. So anyways, pretty cool little product. We'll have this up on our website. In about a week, and it's priced right, it's affordable. That was one of the other problems we had with the product we were selling, is I just felt like for what it was just a little too expensive. So when that happens, you go design your own product, you take out all the extra machining that's unnecessary, and you come up with a product that, you know, is a little bit more reasonable. So anyways, check this out. Watch for this on our website, and if you're doing a coyote swap, definitely a must-have. See ya.